Hey, John, it's finally Friday. Got any exciting plans for the weekend?
Oh, you bet. I've been dreaming about this weekend since Monday.
That's the spirit. So, what are you planning to do?
Well, first thing, no alarm clock. I'm sleeping in.
Oh, the joy of not hearing that alarm. Best feeling ever.
Absolutely. Then I might head to the park for a morning walk.
That sounds nice. Fresh air, sunshine, and maybe coffee on the go?
Exactly. You know me too well. Coffee makes everything better.
So true. I think I'll start my Saturday with brunch and a little shopping.
Ooh, fancy. What's on your list this time?
Nothing serious, just some candles, books, and maybe a cozy sweater.
That sounds like the most British weekend plan ever.
Guilty, but it's my way to recharge. What about Sunday?
Sunday's my do-nothing day. Just Netflix, snacks, and maybe a long nap.
Ah, the classic weekend recipe, rest and snacks.
Yep, you can't call it a weekend without snacks.
I totally agree. By the way, do you ever plan your weekends or just go with the flow?
I usually plan a few things, then let the rest happen naturally.
That's smart. It keeps things relaxed but still exciting.
Exactly. You never know. Sometimes the best plans are unplanned.
I like that. Okay, now I'm officially in weekend mode. Hey, John, do you have any plans for the weekend?
Not really. I was thinking about just relaxing and maybe watching a movie. What about you?
I'm planning a small picnic at the park tomorrow. Need some fresh air after a busy week.
Oh, that sounds amazing. Who's going with you?
Just a few friends, and you can totally join if you're free.
Really? That sounds tempting. I could use some sunshine and laughter.
Great! Bring your camera, you always take the best pictures.
Smiles. I'll bring it, but only if you promise to bring your famous sandwiches.
Laughs, deal. You never forget about food, do you?
Never. It's the highlight of every weekend plan.
Giggles, true. Okay, let's meet at the park around noon.
Noon works for me. Should I bring something else? Snacks or drinks?
Maybe some chips and juice. I'll take care of the rest.
Sounds perfect. I'll text you when I leave home.
Awesome! I can already feel the weekend vibe kicking in.
Same here. Finally a break from reports and meetings.
Exactly. Let's make it a fun and relaxing day.
It's a plan then. See you tomorrow, picnic partner.
Laughs. See you, John. Don't forget your hat this time. Hey, John, over here. I saved us a nice spot under the tree.
Smiling. Perfect choice. Wow, it's such a beautiful day.
I know, right? The weather couldn't be better.
You really came prepared. Snacks, fruits, and even a blanket. I'm impressed.
Laughs. Of course. Picnics are serious business for me.
Chuckles. I can tell. Oh, and I brought the chips and juice, as promised.
Awesome. You kept your word. See? Teamwork always wins.
Sits down. I love how peaceful it feels here. Just birds, sunshine, and no emails.
Smiling. Exactly. That's why I needed this break, to recharge a little.
I get that. Sometimes we forget how nice it is to just slow down.
Totally. So, what's your favorite way to relax on weekends?
I like long walks, good food, and spending time with people who make me laugh.
That's a great combo. I usually go for nature walks or try new recipes.
Oh, I've heard about your cooking skills. Those sandwiches are legendary.
Giggles. You're exaggerating again, John.
Not at all. You should start a YouTube channel, Mariam's Magic Meals.
Laughs. Maybe one day. But for now, I'll just feed my friends.
Deal. I'll be your official taste tester.
Smiling. Fine. But only if you promise honest feedback.
Always honest, especially when there's free food involved.
Laughs. Typical John. Okay, now grab a sandwich before it's gone. So, John, tell me, what hobbies keep you busy on weekends?
Well, I love photography. Capturing random moments makes me happy.
Oh, really? That's awesome. Nature or portraits? What's your style?
Mostly nature. Trees, skies, sunsets. They all have stories, you know?
Smiling. That's so poetic. I like that way of thinking.
Thanks. What about you, Mariam? What's your weekend hobby?
I enjoy reading, especially mystery novels. They keep my mind sharp.
Ah, the detective vibe. I can totally see you solving crimes with coffee in hand.
Laughs too. Maybe. I'd probably overthink every clue.
That's what makes you great at analysis. You notice every detail.
Smiles. You're too kind. But sometimes I just like to sit quietly and people watch.
That's actually really interesting. You can learn so much from observation.
Exactly. Every expression tells a story. Happiness, stress, excitement.
You sound like a writer already. You should publish short stories.
Giggles. Maybe someday, when I'm brave enough.
I'll be your first reader and biggest supporter.
Smiling. Aw, thank you, John. That means a lot.
No problem. By the way, your sandwiches are even better than last time.
Laughs. See? I knew the secret ingredient would work this time.
Love and laughter? Grinning.
Exactly. The best seasoning ever. Laughs warmly.
Chuckles. You're impossible to argue with, Mariam.
This music feels perfect for a lazy Saturday afternoon.
Totally. It's like the soundtrack of peace.
Laugh softly. I like that phrase, soundtrack of peace. You should trademark it.
Chuckles. Maybe I will. So, what kind of music do you usually listen to, Mariam?
Oh, I love acoustic and soft pop, songs that make me feel calm.
That makes sense. You give off very peaceful energy.
Giggles. Really? Wait until you see me stuck in traffic.
Laughs. Oh no, do you turn into a rock star then?
More like a frustrated drummer hitting the steering wheel.
I can imagine that. So, no classical music in the car, I guess?
Only if it helps me stay patient at red lights.
Grinning. For me, weekends mean jazz. Something smooth, something chill.
Ooh, jazz. That's classy. I always feel like jazz has personality.
Exactly. Every note feels like it's telling its own story.
That's beautiful, John. Music really connects people, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's like an invisible language. No translation needed.
Nods. Totally agree. Even a sad song can feel comforting sometimes.
That's true. It reminds us we're not alone in our emotions.
Wow, you're deep today. Must be the weekend vibes. Smiles teasingly.
Grinning. Or maybe it's the company. Good music and good conversation. Perfect combo.
Laughs. Smooth line, John. I'll give you that one.
Laughs too. I try my best.
You know, John, this weekend turned out even better than I expected.
Yeah, same here. I didn't think a simple picnic could feel this relaxing.
Sometimes the best plans are the simplest ones.
True. No stress, no rushing, just good food, sunshine, and laughter.
Don't forget the ice cream. That was definitely a highlight.
Chuckles, especially when it almost melted all over your hand.
Oh, don't remind me. That was a disaster in slow motion.
Grinning. So, any thoughts for next weekend?
Maybe something outdoors again. I've been thinking about hiking.
Hiking? That sounds like fun. And healthy.
Exactly. A bit of adventure and exercise combined.
Count me in. I've got a perfect place in mind. A trail just outside the city.
Really? Does it have a good view?
Oh, it's amazing. You can see the whole valley from the top.
Wow, that sounds beautiful. I'm totally in.
Great. We'll pack some snacks, bring water, and maybe even some music.
Perfect. I'll make sandwiches again.
Pretending to be serious. Only if they're as good as today's.
Don't worry, Chef Mariam never disappoints.
Smiles warmly. I'll hold you to that. Same time next weekend?
Absolutely. And this time, no melting ice cream.
Deal. But I can't promise I won't drop my coffee again.
Grinning. That's okay. We'll call it your weekend ritual.
Smiles. Then it's settled. Next weekend, new adventure.
Excitedly. Can't wait. Good morning, John. You actually made it on time.
Barely. My alarm gave up on me, but the coffee saved the day.
Coffee, the true hero of every weekend plan.
You're right. So, are you ready for this big adventure?
Absolutely. I even packed extra snacks in case you get hungry halfway.
Grins. You know me too well. Snacks are the motivation to keep hiking.
Giggles. Then you'll love today's trail. It's beautiful, but not too hard.
That's good news. I was worried you'd pick something like Mount Everest.
Laughs. Relax, John. I'm not trying to kill you. Just get some fresh air.
Fair enough. All right, where do we start?
Over there. The path between those tall pine trees. Doesn't it look peaceful?
It does. And listen, the birds are already having their morning concert.
Inhales deeply. I love the smell. Pine, grass, and morning dew.
Nature's own perfume. Way better than city traffic.
Laughs. True. I think every office should start the day with a short hike.
Chuckles. Imagine that. Good morning, team. Today's meeting is on the mountain.
I'd sign up for that job right away.
Smiles. So what's the plan? Slow walk or power hike?
Let's start slow. I want to enjoy every step.
Agreed. And maybe take some photos too. The light is perfect right now.
Pulls out phone. Already ahead of you. Selfie time.
Laughs. Of course. Every adventure needs proof.
Posing. Okay, smile. Say weekend magic.
Smiling wide. Weekend magic.
You know, John, there's something about nature that makes people open up.
Yeah, it's like the air clears your mind and lets your thoughts breathe.
Exactly. I always start thinking about my dreams when I'm out here.
Dreams? Like life goals or secret wishes?
Maybe both. I've always dreamed of starting my own language academy someday.
Impressed. That's amazing. You'd be perfect for that. You've got patience, passion, and that teacher sparkle.
Thanks, John. I just want to create a place where learning feels natural, not stressful.
That's a beautiful goal. I can totally see the English Echo Academy becoming real one day.
Hey, I like the sound of that.
What about you? Do you have any big dreams, John?
Correcting playfully, I asked first, but yes, I want to know yours too.
All right, fair enough. I've always wanted to write a travel book, something about exploring cultures through language.
Wow, that's deep. And so you, honestly, you love stories and people.
Yeah, I think languages tell you how people see the world.
That's true. Every word carries a piece of culture, like a tiny mirror.
I love that image. You sound poetic today, Mariam.
Must be the mountain air. It's inspiring.
Or maybe it's just this view. Look at that valley.
Oh, wow. It's breathtaking. You can see everything from up here.
Makes you realize how small our problems really are.
Yes, and how big our dreams can be.
That's beautiful, Mariam. I'm definitely quoting that in my book.
Just give me credit, okay?
Deal. Inspired by Mariam, somewhere on a mountain trail.
I'll take it. We made it, finally.
Wow. That was tougher than I expected, but totally worth it.
Look at that view, John. It's beautiful. Like the world just opened up for us.
Smiling. Yeah, it's moments like this that make all the effort feel small.
Softly. It's kind of like life, isn't it? You climb, you struggle, but then the view reminds you why you kept going.
Nodding. Couldn't have said it better. You've got that mountain wisdom today.
Maybe the altitude made me wiser.
Or maybe it's just the joy of finishing something together.
I love that feeling. Working as a team, pushing each other forward.
Same here. It's like friendship with a bit of adventure mixed in.
Smiling. I'm glad we planned this weekend. It reminded me how important it is to pause and just live.
Yeah, we spend so much time running after work that we forget to breathe.
Exactly. Sometimes the best productivity is peace of mind.
And maybe a sandwich at the top of a hill.
Speaking of which, here you go. I brought your favorite.
You're the best, Mariam.
playfully. Don't forget that next time I need help with reports.
Deal. Sandwiches for reports. Fair trade.
Looking at the horizon. You know, John, I think this view is a reminder. Every weekend is a small celebration of life.
I like that. Celebrate the small wins. That's a quote-worthy line.
Grinning. Then write it in your book.
Already noted.
We made it. Finally.
Wow. That was tougher than I expected, but totally worth it.
Look at that view, John. It's beautiful, like the world just opened up for us.
Smiling. Yeah, it's moments like this that make all the effort feel small.
Softly. It's kind of like life, isn't it? You climb, you struggle, but then the view reminds you why you kept going.
Nodding. Couldn't have said it better. You've got that mountain wisdom today.
Laughs. Maybe the altitude made me wiser.
Laughing too. Or maybe it's just the joy of finishing something together.
I love that feeling. Working as a team, pushing each other forward.
Same here. It's like friendship with a bit of adventure mixed in.
Smiling. I'm glad we planned this weekend. It reminded me how important it is to pause and just live.
Yeah, we spend so much time running after work that we forget to breathe.
Exactly. Sometimes the best productivity is peace of mind.
Nodding. And maybe a sandwich at the top of a hill. Grins.
Laughs. Speaking of which, here you go. I brought your favorite.
Smiling wide. You're the best, Mariam.
Tim. Don't forget that next time I need help with reports.
Deal. Sandwiches for reports. Fair trade.
Looking at the horizon. You know, John, I think this view is a reminder. Every weekend is a small celebration of life.
Smiling softly. I like that. Celebrate the small wins. That's a quote-worthy line.
Grinning. Then write it in your book.
Already noted.
This was one of the best weekends we've had, don't you think?
Absolutely. Simple, fun, full of laughter. Just perfect.
I'm so glad we started doing these weekend adventures.
Same here. It's like therapy. Nature, friendship, and fresh air.
The best kind of therapy.
You know what I realized today? Good company makes every plan better.
Smiling warmly. That's so true, John. It's not about where you go, it's who you go with.
Exactly. So, what's next weekend's plan?
Maybe cooking together? A weekend kitchen challenge.
Oh no. You're planning to test my cooking skills?
Yep. And I'll be the strict food critic.
Then I better start practicing right away.
Smiles? Do that. And don't forget dessert.
Deal. Next weekend, same time, same team.
Cheerful tone. Perfect. And hey, before we sign off,
Curious? Yes?
to all our lovely listeners, thank you for joining us on this weekend journey.
Smiling. We hope you felt the sunshine, the laughter, and the English lessons along the way.
Warmly. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the English Echo.
Leave us a comment. Tell us what your perfect weekend looks like.
Smiling. And we'll see you in the next episode with more fun, more learning, and more smiles.
Stay happy, stay curious, and keep echoing English.
Hey friends, did you enjoy today's episode? If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the English Echo. Your support really helps me bring more fun English lessons your way. And hey, share this video with your friends. Learning English is even better together. Keep smiling, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, keep echoing English with us.